And 2, Honorable Speaker, rejects the appointment of Ms. Stella Soi Lang'at. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much. The Honorable Shakil Shabir will go back to the order. And members, those members who want to speak to this motion, I told you we have less than 12 minutes. You may approach Honorable Mishi. You know what to discuss with her. Because at 12:42, I will be calling her to reply. Honorable Shabir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, 1 in every 4 Kenyans are probably suffering from mental health issues. We as Kenya has forgotten the issue of mental health. Actually, more than that, 1 of every 2 youths are struggling with mental-related problems. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have been sidestepping the issue of mental health. Mental health to us in Kenya has always been Matari, Tuma Matari, or that madman in the village. Mr. Speaker, sir, that there is a thin line between PhDs and